Hey guys, I figured that instead of signing into Stemscopes, because some people had some issues with that last week, I will just read the Stemscopedia to you, and then we'll just answer a couple of questions just right here on Seesaw. All right. So again, this might pop me off, but I am still here presenting to you. Okay, plant and animal extinction. So I'm going to go ahead and read this to you guys. What do you think about when you hear the word extinct? Do you think about animals that lived long ago? What about plants that lived long ago? Animals and plants that have become extinct no longer live on Earth. Do you know an example of an animal or plant that has become extinct? Throughout Earth's history, many plants and animals have become threatened and endangered before finally becoming extinct. Several events may lead to the extinction of a species: environmental changes, overhunting, pollution, or loss of habitat. Endangered means at risk of extinction. Environmental changes can lead to extinction. Major climate changes can lead to the extinction of plants and animals. An example of an animal that became extinct because of environmental changes is the golden toad. It once lived in forests in Central America. The forests experienced a drought, which means little to no rain for long periods of time, that caused the toads to die out. There are no more golden toads in the world, and to make more, so the golden toad is considered extinct. And over here, some good fun facts. Scientists can find out more information about extinct animals by studying their fossils. Golden toads used to live in the Monteverde cloud forest in Costa Rica. So, what role do humans play in the extinction of animals and plants? Humans can play an important role in the extinction of a species. Overhunting is one of the major reasons that an animal or plant may become extinct. Plants are used by humans for food, medicines, and building materials and can become extinct because of overharvesting. The Endangered Species Act is a set of laws that protect endangered species from extinction by humans. How does pollution cause extinction? Pollution to air, water, and land is another way humans can cause extinction of plants and animals. Air is a basic need of all living things. When the air in a plant's or animal's environment is polluted, the health of that plant or animal is harmed. The bald eagle nearly became extinct. Scientists found that a harmful chemical was being released into the air. The shells of the eagle's eggs were weakened and their chicks weren't hatching. How does the loss of a habitat lead to extinction? Well, every living organism is adapted to survive in its habitat. When a habitat is destroyed, it lowers the chance of survival for the organisms that live there. Think about a polar bear's habitat. They travel on sea ice to hunt and survive. As a result of climate change, the ice is melting rapidly. Now it takes ice longer to form in the fall, and it melts sooner in the spring. This change in habitat could cause polar bears to become endangered and potentially extinct. And here are some of our definitions for pollution and habitat, which I think you guys know those pretty well. All right, our last page. Some animals became extinct a long time ago. How do we know about them? Scientists study extinct plants and animals by taking a closer look at their fossils. Fossils are impressions or traces of plants or animals that lived many years ago. One way fossils can form is when minerals take the place of the animal's bones, turning them into rock. Scientists can use fossils to make predictions about why that organism became extinct. Dinosaurs are a species that have been extinct for millions of years. If we look at fossils and pictures, we can see similarities between these prehistoric creatures and present-day lizards. Although they are much smaller, lizards we see today have many similar characteristics. Woolly mammoths are another organism that we no longer see today. They are extinct. We have learned a lot about them and their past environment by studying their fossils. Here's a career corner connection. Paleontologist. A paleontologist are scientists who study fossils. If you ever found a fossil, you are like a paleontologist. Many paleontologists specialize in the study of prehistoric plants and animals. They study body fossils, trace fossils, and evidence in rocks and early life activity. This career would be great for you if you like searching for fossils and studying plants and animals that lived long ago. Okay, so after you guys learned all that information about animals becoming extinct and what causes extinction, you are going to be doing this slide on Seesaw. So it says, please answer the following questions. You may use the slides in the video to look back to if you need to. Number 1, what does it mean to be extinct? Can we bring back plants and animals that have become extinct? So this is a 2-part question. Number 2 says, what are some of the causes for the extinction of plants and animals? And remember, every good reader always goes back to the text and they can search and look for their answers. So I know I saw a lot of these answers in this first part and second part. So if you're confused, make sure you go back and search in the text.